What's going on, guys? Jaxx the Bearded Hiker here, back with another backpacking meal for you guys. Now, this is not some elaborate backpacking meal that we're going to be putting together. In fact, it's pretty simple and easy to put together. When I first heard about this recipe from my buddy Grape Nut and Mark, I thought, duh, why didn't I think of that? What we're going to be using is this stuff right here, and it's Suddenly Salad. It's made by Betty Crocker. We're going to be adding a protein to it, and you add any protein you want. You can do tuna, you can do Spam, you can use chicken. We're also going to be adding, and this is an optional ingredient. I made it before without this, you don't have to use it, but this is just some dehydrated vegetables that I'm able to pick up at my local grocery. And we are going to be using the cold soaking method. Okay, the reason why we're doing that is because, as you guys know, most alcohol stoves out there aren't really made for simmering stuff. I mean, you can do it, it just takes a little bit more alcohol. Maybe you might want to use a simmering, certainly possible, but this just makes it easier. And you can heat this stuff up with about a ½ ounce of fuel, and it doesn't take so long to do it or use as much fuel. What I'm going to be using today is a capillary hoop stove, and I'll talk more about that stove when we're cooking this stuff. So let's get busy and put this stuff together. For starters, what we're going to use is half of this package, so we'll get 2 meals out of this, okay? What I do is I measure it out by weight, and then I pour the contents plus half of the powder that's in the Suddenly Salad into here, okay? Then I put water in here just enough to barely cover the stuff. We will do this about 30 minutes to an hour, or even longer if you want, prior to cooking. So this has been soaking approximately 1 hour. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to dump this entire contents into our pot. So let's get our cook kit going here. This is the 12 centimeter Imusa pot there. This kit that I got here, it nestles right inside of here pretty good. Now, you certainly don't have to use this pot right here to use this cook kit I got here. Certainly, it just depends on the way you want to cook. Now, this was sent to me by Kurt with Hiking Without a Beard. He does sell these kits on Instagram, and I will leave a link below. And he calls this the V8-7 by 8 model, I think. And it's a capillary style hoop stove. The entire kit weighs 2.2 ounces or 63 grams. And it comes with, I'll tell you, this is the Craft Easy Mac container here. He takes this Reflectix and he hot glues that on there. He gives you the pot stand, and he also gives you this the windscreen and another piece of flashing here for the bottom. Here's the lid, and gives you a little measuring cup if you want to use that. And this is your stove here. Now, this stove is made out of a V8. It's the V8 juice container. It's the 3.5 ounce one, I believe. One of the things he said about this pot right here is the Cuke silicone pour over coffee maker fits perfectly onto this. All right, just want to say thanks, Kurt. I'm loving the stove so far. All right, let's put this stuff together. So we're going to start out with a ½ ounce of fuel. That's one of the good things about this stove here. It only takes about a ½ ounce of fuel to boil water. What we're going to do is we're just going to place this on there like that. We're going to take the contents and pour the water and everything in there. Probably should have poured that in there before we put it on. Okay, we'll just give it a little stir, put the lid on it, and bring it up to a boil. So while we're coming up to heat there, we can go ahead and squeeze out our protein source there. Now, you could chop this up and cook it all together, but I just wanted to give y'all show y'all what I do. So I just take my Spam, I'll cut it up like this, cut it into squares, and we'll go ahead and dump that in our pot. All right, so once we stop boiling here, you can see it's thickened up pretty nice, but it'll thicken a little bit more as well. So we'll just let this cool with the lid on, and then we'll give it a taste. Look at it. Gonna be delicious. All right, bon appetit. Another bad A backpacking meal for the books. All right, guys, check this out. It's a great recipe. It's simple, it's easy, it's delicious. Go check out Kurt at his Instagram account, Hiking Without a Beard. I will leave a link to that below. Go check him out if you guys are interested in one of his stoves. Woo! All right, go